I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will explore how to solve quadratic equations using quadratic formula. But before that, we'll look into what is a discriminant and how we can use it to solve quadratic equation or to find number of solutions for a quadratic equation. In the quadratic formula, the expression under the radical sign b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. The discriminant can be used to determine the number of real solutions of a quadratic equation, right? So that is what you should know, and based on this we have a question here. It says state the value of discriminant for each equation, then determine the number of real solutions of the equation, correct? Now, as you know, we'll figure out whether b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, greater than 0, or less than 0. Based on that, we can find the number of solutions, correct? So the very first one given to us is 2x square minus 7x plus 2 equals to 0. The second one is x square plus 2x equals to minus 5. You may have to rearrange it. C is minus 3x square plus 1 equals to 0. And D is 4x square minus 12x plus 9 equals to 0. I will do two of them, and the other two are for you to practice. Now the first one is 2x square minus 7x plus 2 equals to 0. Here A is equals to 2, B is equals to minus 7, and C is equals to 2, right? Plus 2. So what is B square minus 4AC? B square minus 4AC will be equals to minus 7 square minus 4 times A is 2 and C is also 2, right? So we can calculate this value. 7 square is 49, minus is plus when you square it, and it is minus 4 times 4 is 16. So definitely this is positive. So we can say, well, this is greater than 0, correct? If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then how many solutions do you expect? Well, if under the radical sign we have anything positive, then we have plus minus two different values, and therefore we have two solutions, correct? So the answer is two solutions for the first one. Now let us do the next one. Now this equation is x squared plus 2x equals to minus 5. It's a good idea to write this equation in standard form. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 5 equals to 0, correct? Now in this equation, what is A? A is 1, B is 2, and C is 5. So what is b square minus 4ac? B square minus 4ac is 2 square minus 4 times 1 times 5. That is clearly negative, right? 2 square is 4 and 4 times 5 is 20. So it's minus 20. I'm not even calculating the value. I'm just saying it is less than 0. Now if under the square root we have b square minus 4ac, which is negative, then how many solutions do you expect? The number of solutions are 0 or none, right? So there are no real solutions in this particular case, correct? Now these two are for you to practice. Now let me summarize here that if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then we have how many solutions? One solution. One solution, one real solution, I should say. One real solution. Quadratic equation always has two solutions. They could be real or imaginary, okay? Now it has one real solution. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then we have, since it is negative, no real solution, right? No real solution. And you see in here, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then we have two real solutions, right? So I think with this, the idea of using b square minus 4ac to find out how many solutions are there for the given equation is absolutely clear, right? We'll later use the quadratic formula and really find the values or the x-intercepts or real solutions for a quadratic equation. I hope the concept is clear. Thank you and all the best.